My husband na Odogo. True. Na real Odogo.
A few moments later.
Baby, once again, I cannot stand the violence. It's too much. It's too much.
Don't go give water now. Don't go give water. Enti me free Nigeria na bai. Oh, say enwa me too quiet. Because Nigeria o manager me ko ho no mo. Na we say ndro ntokwa si fie no. Senator Ned Nwoko ene Regina Daniels o ma wale we say enya gu. Tinto da enya gu say enwa na jopre tu. Ana be matwi abasi Rodana so e bu no botro Regina say wale no on wale biebo. Hello. Area so bad. I need tears. And I need tears. We want to move to the wide amame. Ewa comment section. How you Penyah block media. May as well say any demo. Or be like video. No other my subscribe button. So now click the bell notification icon for latest updates. I bet you the wide and amame. Ewa comment section. Best also best one no shave of us. Any be ashe. And officially Penyah block media. Ya create your Facebook page. Our official Facebook page. You know man for ewa WhatsApp. Ebusa me Penyah. U Facebook page kran ye hu ye any ade 18 officially no enu anwumre ana ye hu adwuma ya create official Facebook page as a comment section one mo a u ra page we mo video awo ye comment section enu na ya pin no comment na ya pin no aha click link ne so na edo be ko Facebook page no so na say what follow ama me na say a hospital betima follow up stories any ade ye Anthony Regina Daniels was a popular Nigerian actress I say or don't part because you can Facebook page now babesia over 11 million followers just say our dom na Regina is no can say we can on the young guy be edeti Emma on the young guy esimu ya oh ja young guy no Emma make up pata boy because na boy ni nya broken heart ejimuna me call jojo ne kra chichire ne rap boy nyom ma no ne ade ma boy yi na kuma eto ne ma otens ma say Regina say on penny biemu out of nowhere Regina ne some rich might be billionaire be in Nigeria movement. I is a friend of Senator Ned Nwoko. On no movement to the point that omu ekwawari nyina omu try china wide na me go hobby be taking pictures and how come this particular video because Bibia come and from there hey Regina Daniels only nukunu omu edi don kasa was we so
no.
Chicken tikka masala no spicy.
This one? Yeah, I know. But for her, this is nothing.
No what did you say?
This is spicy.
This is no spicy.
No spicy.
No, it's no.
It's no spicy. The chicken tikka masala that is spicy. Vindaloo.
Oh, vindaloo. If you don't like it, yeah, no problem.
Oma to quite alcohol expensive places any other. Now, in the course of their marriage now, as an answer, the man felt insecure. Because there was a time called now Rihanna is our life. Now life no mind will be say, are you cheating on me or are you chatting with someone else?
Let's take. What? Is this something you're hiding from me? What?
No, we're live.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, we're just live. No, like live. There's nobody.
Who are you chatting with? Are you hosting it?
Yeah, we're just on like live video and just talking.
Yeah, with who?
With people online.
Okay.
As the man felt insecure, there was insecurity in their marriage. But still not almost at home. Emma later, it was alleged as say, Regina Daniels, you're bonifie. No kunu ebonifie. Emma that allegations no by appear on the internet. But those allegations no 2025 year, exactly 23rd February 2025. Anna Regina Daniels make post on Instagram. a police enyum bi ebo wa chire ene ode enyum no esa enyum na ebo gina say another cry in a Ferrari, another cry in a Lamborghini than say obedi hia ene e say mo se mi wo fie na ye obo mi ha munya ekura basa me pese ne medal mbo mu na mi su ni suo that's why I feel papa hwe akwa bi atom ho so na obi mani aja bra medical pre e de menya I must akopie mu kura no ho okopie mu e wo BBC na ho go yitim oh masa munyai be ma na wore nde be ma no wo ya wure odogu ye ka odogu ankasa kashbai ah wo ya wure odogu blog won ho
Federation.
How it be for you say you be wife of a Bonga politician?
My husband na odogu. True. Na real odogu. The feeling for inside house. True, it sweet past waiting with they even put online. Because sometimes when I see comments say where people say, oh, no be so then they inside house. So me and I'm gonna read the comments, we go laugh. Go say if only say they know house we take day go inside house. You know, anything where I want like this, I go get them. To cook. The day where I say I won't cook, he go even fight me and say why I dey cook. Say make I come off for kitchen. You know, if I say now say I won't just sleep for 1 week, not do anything, I go still do okay, sleep for 1 week. So it's a very comfortable lifestyle and a happy one.
Enti ni je ofie ma mo ka se ne nyina munyai masa muni ni shoes mo se won shoes ma ngo se na nije pa na nije no no bibi ade bia be na nije eyesika onyesika nko ade a wo wie Regina nyesika wo wie ma there was a time ni kuru ka say oh Regina asa wo ha wo ho dodo move na wo twa ne ade no oh stress wo me pese wo jai e ho mistakenly Regina e ko friend ni kunu no say oh daddy ko chiremu say papa no ejini go friend the daddy e ma hokra no in a romantic way no papa no ebufu ye e ma Regina Daniels ene ne ma me kra e pa papa na chew e wo ho no mo
Oh, she would not tell me, look, you're not my father. She would tell me, I swear to God. She said, you're not my father. I said, no, I'm your husband. Go to bed. Please, let's go to bed.
You're my everything.
Please, you have to be my house every day. Come on, you will do this every day.
You don't do it. I
love that.
Just now omudi odo e ma ne ye fe was out of the blue. Nothing happened. And when you mre ye nyina nka bi she social media busia for that na ye twan ye de asense ase e twan say ye dum say wale ye dey e be kwa ko wi ante na Penyah me ha junior mini say ye dey ade we enkosi akada we ye kenken kwa dai trip no bu ko na ye kenken kwa e kwa ko wi ante na enu adwumre ye nka bi she mu ana media na so video we start a fly as a video na e go viral nyina no e Regina Daniels just odisun edimirika epie free fie efie aya ware na dina kwatram opie free is all calling for help munyimio bu go diggers musolio eye munti ana z zenato obes mokumi.
Calm down. Did anything happen to my sister? Is it down? Okay. In Nwoko's house.
No.
In Nwoko's house, I am nothing. But in my house, I am a queen.
No, you're still as valuable. Mom, look at me. Look at me, Mom.
Baby, once again, I cannot stand the violence. It's too much. It's too much.
Don't go give water now. Don't go give water. Just relax.
I beg, give her water, Jarea.
Just wait. Just
I
relax.
actually want something.
Just relax.
Wait. Shame on you.
Are you bringing out a gun?
Can you imagine? Hey, can you imagine this?
Please, ma, we are begging you, please. Please, ma. Please, ma.
Now go is something use fight. I mean, now go is something use fight. Now go in the fight. Basami, calm down. Basami, don't do. You don't do. You don't do.
Take you down.
You don't do. Okay, me dey check am. I you want use your gun. Basami, calm down, please.
What else here? My video by media and so. Almost and you know say I would rather cry in a Lamborghini. I will cry in a Ferrari than be with a broke guy. I feel never be a Oga. Go and cry, Joe.
I better cry in a Lamborghini than cry in a keke nape. On our street, you did the cry like this. So now street for the cry. This is so boo. Like, why? Why you no go there inside Lambo me go cry? Why you sit down for street? You want hurry life? You want jump? You want from 0 go reach 100? Beam! It is say infects no day. It is say come with some kind of temptation. It is say it go your easy. Everything go go smooth like that. Temptation no day. Like you dey want me.
Regina Daniels, Nigerian youth, we know one verse for you. We know just one get angry. Regina Daniels, anything will happen for this your marriage, we know one here. No tell us. We are not interested. Keep this your marriage where you use the pepper your fellow girls. Keep up. You say you rather there in your Lamborghini they shed tears. You see that tears? If you ever wind down to show us that tears, Regina Daniels, please, with all due respect, you say you are a queen in your house. Queen, please manage that your tears on your own. We no one laugh you. We no one clap for you. We are not interested in anything. We no one see. Since you get the temerity, the guts, the effrontery to look a sitting senator finish where they want peace, you get mind, video and poster. It remains small make you show this man Bola. A sitting senator because the man they marry you. A man who is old enough to be your father. Now you want to show the whole world in Bola. The video went viral. And you know fully well said you and this man they have issues. Now you get mind go post them. You get mind go post this man so that people go see him Bola. Now where is the marriage? And for that your brother when they come out they talking here, make that guy respect himself. Oh boy, respect yourself, Chineke Agbagoko. Hey, respect yourself. Don't come to our social media and cry. All the money where Senator Network don't give you, you give us. You share with us. Hey, enter house. Don't come and cry to us. Make una with una mama, una sort of herself out. All the whole money that save from that billionaire, una don't give us. Una respect to us. Una don't carry this nonsense. Come social media. Eat alone and buy alone. Una don't chop the money alone. Make una face am alone. Make una not disturb this social media space. I'm sending this as a warning. There inside your Lamborghini and they cry your cry. Regina Daniels will no one see your tears. Why not? It is a tinted glass. Why not? We no one see again. We are not interested. Now your family. I don't know who push you.
Did anything happen to my sister? In this house. In this house. Okay. In Nwoko's house.
No.
In Nwoko's house, I am nothing. But in my house, I am a queen.
No, you're still as valuable. Mom, look at me. Look at me, Mom.
Baby, once again, I cannot stand the violence. It's too much. It's too much.
Don't go give water now. Don't go give water. Just
relax.
Wait.
I better give her water, Daria.
Just wait.
I actually want something.
Just relax.
Wait.
Sister, open your eye. Open your eye before you enter into polygamous family. Open your eye. It's not all that glitter are gold. It's not all that glitter are gold. Forget all those things where they see for social media. If you see waiting many girls they suffer for marriage, if you see waiting, especially all those ones they see online, where they float different cars, they float different houses, they float private jets, they travel all over the world. If you see me waiting, most of them they suffer for marriage, you know go want experience for your life. I believe so most of them don't see this video original that they shout. Say at her own husband's house, they get peace or it's nothing. But at her own family house, in be pain. Imagine that kind of experience. For this girl to come out to speak out, he's supposed to say he don't read. He said he don't experience this thing for how many years? For years now. Guy. No, but see, girls, more than they careful. Everything is not up. It's not all about money. It's better for you to marry a man that is a simple man that is as in at least love you and take care. As in, it's not all about the money. You better say you marry man will be saying you marry this man and get peace of mind than say you marry person will be saying get peace of mind. Imagine the family will be saying your own family, your husband house will be saying your own family no fee visit you. Your own family members no fee visit your house. Which kind of marriage be that one? It's not all that glitter are gold. Girls, no na shine on her eye. Make una shine on her eye. Don't forget anything when they see for social media. Social media go deceive you. Reality now outside social media, now be reality. Social media now don't something they use to deceive us. Or let's say one may they deceive you. A lot of people, I know say most time when they see Regina, they float different cars, different private. A lot of them will say, I wish I would be like her. You know what if that person is? Don't pray to be like anybody in this life. Because if you know what if those people they suffer, you go say, God, thank you for where I did. If they open an eye, tell them what some people they suffer for this world, now thank God for where on a day. Now thank God. You know, get any woman for this planet with they happy say marry polygamous family. A prayer of every woman are for her to get married to her own husband, not to share with anybody. Forget all those things where they see na money, shine your eye.
It seems as though Senator in here, I don't know the name right though, so if I mention it wrong, pardon me. Senator in here go die. Hey. Now that I think your cup is full, there is no need for you to hide again. But Regina, my dear, you can never sell your happiness for anything. No. Your happiness must be your first priority. I'm telling you, regardless of the luxurious and the comfortability that you are getting from your husband, and you are still not happy deep inside, it can kill you faster than you ever think of. I'm just being honest with you. And Senator, Asians all days as old as you are, you still beat a woman. Asians of days as old as you are, you still beat your great-great-grandchildren. You still beat her. Boy.
Regina Daniel, that's good for you. If you like, let your mumulity drive you out of husband's house. Your eye will clear. That comment where you define, you will see him. You and your husband get issue. Una video and post them online. You define social media comment that be, the man they abused me, you do this one. Tell me which marriage for this country will be say what alone day. Even sisters and brothers, they quarrel, they go settle. Even sometimes mama and pikin go quarrel, they go settle. Tell me one particular marriage in this world where they go talk say, me and my husband don't get issue. In no day, you video your issue, post them online. You see all the comments, they are now blasting you, talking so many things. Okay, you don't get house, this one. House now something. The respect what you get right now. So many single mother hearts there. So many women out there, they find the respect. Because of impatience, this young generation gets. To even get patient with man is not a problem. You video your marriage issue or person video am. For you to even find the person even arrest, they still post them online and they body shame you.
Your husband is a politician. Your husband gets voice for the country, not be evil states. The man don't work very hard before he find you. But now, they will just use say this thing now as a point of contact. When they say the man is a stupid man. No! No. See the way they are bullying your husband online through comments, so many things. Regina Daniel, be guided. No, see, don't allow anybody to deceive you. The people right now when they comment for your video, many of them never get a relationship. No serious girlfriend, no serious boyfriend, single mother. So they for husbands right now, but they never know say they be already single mother already. So many married right now when they married this year, many of them will divorce very soon. So Regina Daniel, respect yourself and respect your man. If you not get any issue, try your best, settle out of social media. Social media will bring more body shaming to you and the man. No woman they get award being single mother. Many single mother don't learn their lesson. 80% of single mother of these days don't learn their lesson. If they see any man now, they go say, let me propose to them now. They go accept. So I beg, carry your marriage out of social media. Everybody online, no one is there for you. If you defend online comment, you will see them. But last, the body shaming will affect you. You see how? So be guided. And for Nwoko again, at least you be an advanced person. Use form of say the maturity of say, I feel not get picking like you, this one, blah blah blah, this one. Take handle that girl. You see handle them. Not be able to put online. It don't really make any sense. When they come to marriage issue, you never marry the shoot man for marriage, they advise. What you want advice? Mama are picking the quarrel. Brothers and sisters the quarrel. And you expect to live with woman for us no quarrel. So Ned, I beg. With due respect, because of your name, I beg. You're gonna settle the issue offline. You guys, in fact, don't post anything about your marriage on social media. Now some say that movie, you saw so many things. At least, don't be part of those levels. So no verse so far. I talk to you about no verse. You understand me? So because I see the comment, I surprised. This one, blah blah, so many things. I beg more at least who don't see married now. Maybe they respect themselves. Who never marry, maybe they know don't never marry. Maybe it's what I get house, I get money, I can take care of myself. No! There's a respect when you live with man. Yes. Uniqueness inside. I don't know.
Now to the Golden Girls Association of Nigeria, no bago waka, omu PRO waka. Regina Daniel, so only PRO. Ono young guy to come. Although now so oh they are brand to simuma timisu. Oh, because when you odogu, na rare odogu. It was odogu no. Akodru ololu. I'm a media no way a trending story. Ubet match waje amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media. Accra.